it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, we're back with another Skippa. Hugo. Back with Skippa Hugo. Me sit down in the comment section, react to Skippa Hugo. But I don't think the music video was out. So the music video dropped 2 hours ago. So we're here with it. Skippa Hugo, let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go.
Something in the way you move
Visual, big up.
makes me feel like I can't live without it. It takes me all the way.
I want to sound different.
I want you to round and around we go. Yeah.
We got a production team behind one.
Now, tell me now, you know. Father God, me know you see, but you and I want know. Me know me sin, me send a client now. Pull up, yo, pull up.
Trick me.
Let's go.
Trick me.
Something in the way you move
I want to trick me a while ago.
makes me feel like I can't live without it. It takes me all the way. I want you to round and around we go.
Ready now.
Oh, now tell me now.
Pick up the editor on the video. We got a production team for one. Let's go.
You know, Father God, me know you see, but you and I want know. Me know me sin, me send a client now. Me know you want me invest, you want me buy one house, but Lord, me see the fat Benz and have a job one now. Yeah.
The man said, him knows the Father God want him buy a house, but him see the fat Benz him have a drop one now. Buy your house, brother. Buy your house. Yeah, investment that is. Yeah, buy your house.
Me know you see, but you and I want know. Me know me sin, me send a client now. Me know you want me invest, you want me buy one house, but Lord, me see the fat Benz and have a job one now. Yeah, so keep your church, cause God bless thief though. Little cook in a tin vehicle.
Keep your church, cause God bless thief too. Yeah, little cook in a tint up vehicle. Yes, he must keep on the church. Yeah, you know a confession to make. God bless thief too. That's what the G say.
No, me know you want me invest, you want me buy one house, but Lord, me see the fat Benz and have a job one now. Yeah, so keep your church, cause God bless thief though. Little cook in a tint up vehicle. Me banging line when I wait on people, he still a bless me all when him know say you no wrong.
I'm saying banging line, him not weird pan people, him not sponge pan people neither. Him a banging line. Yeah, that's what the G say. Not me, let's go.
This line when I wait on people, he still a bless me all when him know say you no wrong. This little boy can't do no wrong. My mother woulda get for bro, it made a way for man. This keep a music play loud in the place I'm from. Stick.
I say, yo, if he was waiting around, waiting for hands out, waiting for somebody to give him a helping hand, waiting for somebody for broke bread game, his mother wouldn't be proud. Yeah, his mother wouldn't be proud. Furthermore, the Skippa song them a play loud in the place where I'm from. G, I tell you that straight.
Still a bless me all when him know say you no wrong. This little boy can't do no wrong. My mother woulda get for bro, it made a way for man. This keep a music play loud in the place I'm from. Stick to myself, not like the crowd, I just me and God. I'm me alone from the goddamn start. When I see me know, say that is a dead man walk. Roll and make it bends, just a belch and laugh. Just a belch and laugh. All I say, she broke my dog, but me, I make she deep in all this. Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Skippa!
Let's go! Let's go!
Skippa!
Something in the way you move.
Skipper!
Makes me feel like I can't live without
Lethal Shutter, big up. Banks, big up.
all the way. I want you to round and around we go. Yeah. Oh, now, tell me now, tell me now, tell me now. You know. Father God, me know you see, but you and I want know. Me know me sin, me send a client now. Me know you want me invest, you want me buy one house, but Lord, me see the fat fence and have to drop one now. Yeah, so keep your church, cause God bless Steve though. Liquor cooking in a tint up vehicle. We banging line when I wait on people. He still a bless me all when him know can't do no wrong. This little boy can't do no wrong. My mother woulda get the bro if made a way for man. This Skippa music play loud in the place I'm from. Stick to myself and like the crowd, I just me and God. I'm me alone from the goddamn start. When I see me know say that is a dead man walk. Roll and make it bends, just a belch and laugh.
Just a belch and laugh, yeah.
All I said, she bear up my dog, but me, I make she deep in all the saving.
Boss, can sing it, man.
Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to see which one of us is kidding.
Bad. Salute.
I bag of money in my jeans, I'm a gone for more. Him just drop a new piece, took it out that door. I know me have a...
Why you always do this, bro? Like, you go so calm. You go so calm. Let me think, say, yeah, I'm a calm down now. Then the bastards turn you up so to blood clot. Like that, like, you're fucking with my meds, bro. You're fucking with my meds, Skipper G. But guess what, dog? I like it. Let's go. I like it. Different. Listen.
A bag of money in my jeans, I'm a gone for more. Him just drop a new piece, took it out that door.
A bag of money in my jeans, I'm gone for more, brother. Never too much money in the jeans. Take off my glass. Them in a trouble. We are on this again.
Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Let's go. Let's go. This man
makes me feel like I can't live without.
Skipper, we there. We are react. We are react. Skipper fans, drop a like.
Round and around we go.
Skipper fans, drop a like. Drop a sub. If you rate Skipper, drop a sub, yeah.
Now, tell me now.
Tell me now.
Tell me now. You know.
Alright.
Father God, me know you see, but you and I want know. Me know me sin, me send a client now. Me know you want me invest, you want me buy one house, but Lord, me see the fat fence and I for drop one now.
Yeah.
So keep your church, cause God bless Steve though. Liquor cook in a tint up vehicle. We banging line when I wait on people. He still a bless me all when him knows can't do no wrong. This little boy can't do no wrong. My mother woulda get the bro if made a way for man. This Skippa music play loud in the place I'm from. Stick to myself and like the crowd, I just me and God. I'm me alone from the goddamn start. When you see me know say that is a dead man walk. Roll and make it bends, just a belch and laugh.
Just a belch and laugh, yeah.
All I said, she bear up my dog, but me, I make she deep in all the savings.
Darkness, man.
Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to see which
ready for your second verse? Second verse like a monster, watch it now.
A bag of money in my jeans, I'm a gone for more. Him just drop a new piece, took it out that door. I know me have a bag of friends that me not know before. And when me pull up, we go spend them off, we close the store. I hear the boy on the pumps.
If you don't know. When time a real top baller, when time a real top G pull up in a any store, them have to close that down. For the duration amount of duration, big word, bumbleclot. For the amount of time when that person is there, the store is closed. It's closed to the public. Our time now. Yeah. I wanna look on price. We just shop. Yeah.
Me not know before. And when me pull up, we go spend them off, we close the store. I hear the boy on the pump, still a pop in press. 350 the crowd, so I extra cash. And if I fuck up the whole town, and me press the gas because the exhaust sound like playing a crash. And bitch, I know you not be actually.
Man said the exhaust sound like when playing a crash, brother. The man a fuck up the whole town with the exhaust sound, dog. Listen.
Got person me no know before. And when me pull up, we go spend them off, we close the store. A hell boy, on the pump, still a popping press. 350 the crowd, so I extra cash. And if I fuck up the whole town, and me press the gas. Because the exhaust sound like plane a crash. And bitch, I know you not the axe, we live a life on the edge. How they must come out, they must chop. Me no know none of them 50, 150. One daddy I spend 15. Full clips and boy, guy. I from me make it.
Oh, not chop on the no. Oh, not chop and skip on the no. Eh? What not chop? Bush. What not chop? Grass. What not chop? Nothing.
And if I copy whole town, and me press the gas because the exhaust sound like plane a crash. And bitch, I know you not the axe, we live a life on the edge. How they must come out, they must chop. Me no know none of them 50, 150. One daddy I spend 15. Full clips and boy, guy. I from me make it first call. Me no run out of funds, YG Glock. Bush can't run out of guns. Mummy talk to your boy, we pronounce your son. Fan it up, he make it talk with your
Mommy, talk to your boy. We pronounce your son. Talk to him, please.
send boy, guy. I from me make it first call. Me no run out of funds, YG Glock. Bush can't run out of guns. Mummy talk to your boy, we pronounce your son. Fan it up, he make it talk with your plug out your plug. Tell them we don't play. Killer them active and we don't stray. We don't stray.
We don't stray.
Right time, boy. It's gonna ball to you, lad. I'm there, so I laugh when I talk to the devil. Night time, hell boy. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6,
66666.
Mad boy, hell boy.
Bankroller, big up yourself. Yo, Skipper. I started reacting to your song them late, brother. I'm sorry. I need to start listening to the comment section more often. A long time, no times ever react. But me being stubborn, me being doing things in my own time. But I'm still here now. I'm sorry about that, my G. Skipper fans, them one not there. Unna like your video yet. Unna like his unna drop a sub yet. Unna drop a. Hold on, the man. What the blood? Unna dead. Eh? Eh? Unna dead. Hey, Skipper, big up yourself. Big up production team behind the one. This shot, bro. This shot, me like that one, dog. And I'm glad I'm one of the first reactors to react to this one. I just dropped. Yeah, it just the video me attack. It just dropped. Yeah. Me not late. Me early. Yeah, no, Shirley. Wife in the early, Shirley. Yeah, big up on yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.